Hey, what's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I want to introduce something brand new to you guys. I want to show you these brand new type of AI videos that are generating these content creators thousands of dollars every single month. And this is a brand new niche with new types of videos that I want you to focus on. It's going to be something that nobody else has spoken about before. And these videos are absolutely performing insane. I'm going to show you one or two examples. I'm going to show you a channel that's pretty new at this and getting millions of views on their videos. Now, one thing I wanted to mention, this does work nicely with the motivational niche. If you've watched my channel before, you would know that I've made a similar strategy to this on where you can make motivational quizzes or videos with Canva and ChatGBT and post them onto YouTube. Now, the problem with this is right now, as we stand, this has become a very saturated type of video. There's a lot of new creators and a lot of older creators that are starting to lose views and also starting to not get monetized anymore simply because there's so many people just copying and pasting these types of videos. So therefore, if you continue to do a lot of the basics that these channels are doing, the odds of getting monetized is not very high. Then you need to rely on income sources such as affiliate programs, merchandise, sponsorship deals, which also limits you to the amount of money that you can make off your channel. And this is what I want you to do today from today's video, and do this instead. So we're still going to be using ChatGPT, but instead we're going to be using a ChatGPT script to create our own video from scratch that is monetizable, or we can already reword existing videos from viral videos into our own words and piggyback that virality. Let me show you an example of the type of clip that I'm going to like you've seen an example. Here's an example of a YouTube channel that's absolutely killing it with this. And I'm going to show you how you can generate these images with AI from scratch, the entire script, the entire format of the video, each and every slide we're going to edit in canva.com. Super easy. It's going to take you nothing more than 10 minutes to create a video. And the reason why I'm talking about this in today's video is because this is the first channel that I've actually come across something like this. I've seen channels before, both on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, make something very similar, but there really isn't a lot of competition for this at all. So this is a really good timing that you guys are here today to see a potential trend like this take off. You can also repost these videos onto TikTok and make money through the TikTok Partner Program. But Jay, TikTok Partner Program is only accepted in a total of about 4 countries around the world. I've come across a website called USAC which is a website where you can buy a US signed up TikTok account and make money off the partner program. So over here you can see the TikTok account you can earn on views without a tax ID. You can join the TikTok creator program from any country and earn up to $1 per 1,000 views. You will get the login details to that TikTok account in 24 hours. And over here, you can see if you want 1 account, it's going to cost you $49 per account. If you want 10 accounts, it's going to cost you $9 an account. 100 accounts, $5 an account. And over here, you can see there's people that's not in the USA making money off the TikTok program. So a great website if you want to make money off YouTube Shorts and the TikTok program as well. And specifically for those where the TikTok program is not applicable in your country. Great website to go and get a TikTok account in an applicable country, even though you're not in that country. I will leave a link down below to this website over here if you want to go and try it out. In the meantime, if you don't want to spend money on getting a US TikTok account, you can just use this on YouTube Shorts and get monetized that way. The first way that you can go and do this is to come over to ChatGPT. Really underrated tool. I know I've spoken about this tool a lot on my YouTube channel, but you can come up with some pretty insane content ideas and generate some really epic videos from ChatGPT. Paste this prompt over here. I'm going to leave a link to it down below in the description, or if you want to get access to this prompt, I'll leave it in a text document. Just comment down below prompt and I will reply to your comment with the link to this prompt, or you can just copy it from the description. Click on send to ChatGPT, and all this says is create an interesting story in this format, line by line, with 1 line summarizing 1 chapter. One boy getting called for Christmas, he gets angry. He gets very angry at Santa. He buys tickets to the North Pole. He's on a plane to the North Pole. So as you can see, it's really just generating a story in a chapter 1, chapter 2, all the way to chapter 12 format, just like the template video that I showed you in the beginning of this video. So now you can start to see how we're going to foundation our videos with ChatGPT. The second way that you can do this is open up an already viral video on this YouTube channel. Make notes of it in a notepad, type each and every text that you see, and format it into a script just like this example that we pasted over here in ChatGPT. Then all you want to type is rephrase it all. You can send that through and it will rewrite everything in its own words that you can go and use for your own videos. Secondly, we need to go and create the images relative to our prompts, much like the template video that you saw in the beginning of this video. You can come over to a free AI tool called Leonardo.ai to simply go and generate these pictures. Click on Launch App on the top right hand side. It's going to open up a sign-in page. You can sign up for free with your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. Once you've signed in, you can click on Image Generation under the AI Tools tab. Click on this and you'll see a section over here where we can type in a simple caption and it will generate an image for us. The example that I used was a YouTube thumbnail for making money with drop shipping, and this was some of the thumbnails that it gave me. I can then delete this, and you want to go and type the following. Come back to ChatGPT or your text document and copy each and every prompt from your notepad. Copy that, paste that in the prompt section and click on Generate. Go ahead and copy the second prompt. He gets angry. Come over back to Leonardo AI, click or type, comma, and paste your second prompt. He gets angry and click on Generate. Do the same for the third prompt. He gets very angry at Santa. Type again, comma, and the third prompt. Click on Generate, copy the fourth one, come back to Leonardo.ai, remove everything, paste it, and click on Generate again. Add the fifth one in front of it by clicking comma or typing comma, paste it, and click on Generate again. And slowly but surely, you can see we started formulating these images for our short video. You can hover over one of the first images, click on Download, and this image will download to our PC. For the second image, we can click on this one here, click on Download, will download to our PC. The one where we're angry at Santa, we can use this one over here, click on Download. And the one for where he's booking tickets to the North Pole, we can use this one over here. Click on Download. You want to continue creating images for each and every prompt. Once we get to the last prompt, we can type here, remove all of this. Boy is satisfied. Click on Generate and we can generate our final image. We can download this picture over here. And the last picture is now downloaded to our PC. So the next step, we're now going to go and put all of this together in a video in Canva.com. To do that, come over to Canva.com and click on social media and make sure that you click on Instagram Reel so that it's the correct portrait format 1080 by 1920 pixels size for a short video. When this blank template is opened up, change the background template color of this template to ChatGPT's color. This is ChatGPT's color code. Hashtag 333242, and it will make it in this dark gray color. Next, come over to Elements. Scroll down until you see a circular image. Click on this and it will add to your Canva template. Make it the size of 105 by 105, width by height, and position it towards the top left-hand side. Right-click and select Duplicate and place it a little bit lower down towards the center. Add a new square picture frame similar to this one. Size it towards the center of your Canva template below your second circle. We can increase this slightly and move it more towards the right-hand side so that it looks something like this. Next, come over to Google and go and search ChatGPT. Click on Enter, click on Images, and we want to go and find ChatGPT's logo. Let's go and use this logo over here. Right-click, copy image, come back to Canva, click on Ctrl-V, and it will paste it over here. Drag it onto the little circle, and it will load up the picture into the small little circle. For the second picture, we can use any random picture. Let's go and type Happy Boy Bye Christmas Tree, and we can use this random picture over here. This is more than fine. Right click, copy image, paste this on your Canva template, drag it into the circle. You can just centerize that more so that it looks like this. Click on text, click on add a text box, click on the drop down, change the text format to Roboto, change it to you and resize it as shown here. Just stretch it out so that it reaches the edge of that template and is centerized. Select the text, click on the alignment and align it to the left-hand side. Duplicate it and type in this text box, body 1. After that, click on elements and go and find a pencil, ideally a black and white pencil. Click on see all under graphics and we can add this example over here. Click on the pencil, make it that it's white in color, and resize it so that it looks something like this. Right-click, duplicate the U-text and position it by the second image frame with ChatGPT's logo and change it into ChatGPT. What we can do is we can highlight all of this, just centerize it towards the center, and go and duplicate this page for the amount of prompts that we have. So in this example, we have 14 different prompts. So you want to go and duplicate this page 14 times. Right-click, duplicate, right-click, duplicate. And we just need to do this for a total of 14 times. Click on Add Transition in between each and every slide. Click on Slide and make it that it slides upwards so that it looks just like that. And it slides between each and every slide. And same thing with the second slide. Click on Slide, make sure that it slides upwards. Third slide, slide option, upwards, and just repeat it for all of them. Once that's complete, it will look something like this. And it will slide to the next slide. The second video will play for 5 seconds and we'll slide to the next and third slide. Now we need to replace our text. Come over to ChatGPT or your notepad and enter point number 1 under the body of number 1 so that it looks just like this. Okay, realign the pencil just underneath that text. For the image under ChatGPT, click on the image, click on Upload Files, come over to the folder where we've saved all of those generated images and click on the first one where the boy is getting coal for Christmas. Drag it into this box so that it looks like this. For slide number 2, come over to ChatGPT, copy your second prompt, paste this under the body, click on the ChatGPT image, click on Upload Files and upload the image where he gets angry, so that it looks like this. Rinse and repeat for every single slide. Now, let's watch the full video. And that's it for this video. All you need to go and do is start posting once a day for the next 60 to 90 days and watch as the traction starts rolling in onto your YouTube channel. If you'd like to see more videos like this and updates on short video trends with AI and also different various ways that you can use to make money online, build e-com stores, drop shipping stores, drop servicing stores, and overall, in general, make money online, make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a video just like this one. I'm going to leave a playlist on the screen over here that will teach you multiple various different ways that you can use to make money off this type of short video content. So make sure to click on this playlist over here on the screen and I'll see you on the inside.